Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to turn off profile views on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, click on the TikTok app, move to the profile. Click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy here. Now click on notifications here. You can see repost at the sixth option of interactions. You can turn it off. In this way, you are not allowed to repost the others video, and the video you have posted on your TikTok account, people will not repost your video on their account. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.